Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Fib play of the day. Now, I started doing these Fibonacci videos last week, and we'll do one each day to show you the Fib trade of the day. Some days there may be one, some days there may be two. So here, as you see, we're trading the NQ, and as I said before, Fibonacci levels work as support and resistance, and basically price runs into resistance here at the 38.2 in the daily open. So once price is below this daily open line, the trend is down, and basically you target one fib to the other. So here after 11 o'clock, basically price had sold off. We had some trades right in here, but I didn't take a screenshot. So then the market was getting weaker, and we get these bounces, and just before the price loses the daily open price here, the fib level, the green line as I call it, the line in the sand. So basically the trend is up above this green line, down below it. You know, this is something I learned well over, I think, 18 years ago. I've been trading for 24 years. Back in the day, there were no fancy indicators. You just had support and resistance lines, and that's what I learned to trade off of. And basically my instructor said price goes above it, you go long, price goes below it, you go short. And it seems simple, right? Well, actually it is pretty simple. Once you trade it for a couple weeks and get used to not looking at 10 different indicators or 5 different moving averages, so and then you can almost predict when it's going to fall. Here it bounces off the green line and can't go any higher, then the price comes down, so we're short above it. Sometimes we're short above it, below it, depends on how fast the market is going. So the price sells off quickly here, and we got 2 contracts, and our target is down here to the fib line, and basically it got out shortly after this screen capture here. So we ended up with a nice gain on this quick short in the NQ. Then here's another one in the afternoon, coming back after lunch, just after 1 o'clock. You see the price is still below the green line here, daily support, and it sells off. We were a little late getting short. Just came back from lunch, pulled up the chart, seen it. But anyways, we got short 2 contracts, and it's selling off. It already went to the first fib level, and then the next support is down at the low of the day. So being a day after a holiday, usually the market is kind of slow with volume, and afternoon is slow. So we're not thinking it's going to go all the way down to the low of the day. And we're locking and trailing our stop, moving it down lower as the price breaks. And then here's the next screenshot. It goes down lower. We lower our stop, and basically it gets out shortly after this here for a nice about a $1,900 gain on the trade. So that's a Trading123 Fibonacci trades of the day with a Trading123 Fibonacci indicator. Very powerful indicator to put to use in your trading each and every day. Very simple to use. And as you see from the charts, how accurate the levels are and the trends. So you don't need to look at 10 different indicators. Just use your Fibonacci chart. So for more information, visit our website, Trading123.net. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and like us. If you found this video interesting and educational, did give you a few trading tips,